in this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot InShot video editing app. If you can't use this app, it is too slow, you can't use some features, or it is not even opening, or sometimes it crashes each and every time you try to open it, then you can follow these steps to fix this problem. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to fix these InShot errors, you need to access InShot video editing app info page by just long pressing on the app, and you should see info. However, if you can't see this option, you should have a settings gear here, or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access InShot Video Editor app info page. At this point, first, you need to force stop the app to stop any background activities that might be interfering with this app. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache, and finally OK. At this point, you need to restart your smartphone and then open your app, and everything should be okay. Now, in most cases, this works 100%, and now everything should be running fine. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then you want again to go to app info page, and this time around clear all data here, and now everything should be okay. However, if this can't still solve your problem, then you need to go to Google Play Store or App Store, search for your app and find out if we have an update, then update your app to the latest version. But should you still experience the bugs, that is your app losses each and every time you try to open it, for that you need to uninstall the app and then clear trash from your smartphone and install it afresh. So this will ensure that all the trash is cleared and all the bugs will be removed that might be causing the issue. So that's how you can troubleshoot InShot Video Editor app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.